Hello guys, we are going to unlocking the best potential profitable project, Prime XBT, where you can earn passive income or affiliate income. Not only you invest your money in this project, here are also opportunity to earn more by promoting the Prime XBT. Here you are also supposed to earn for $2,500 CPA per qualified account. There are two types of earning. Like first one is that you are going to invest your money to get start trading as crypto, and you can also get your income in the highest APR. And next, you can also get the reward without investment. Like here, you are going to register your account on Prime XBT, and then you can also make your account. After that verification, you can copy the link as invitation. You have to spread it out any social media link in around in your community to invite more fans, more investor crypto enthusiasts on this platform. When they are going to recharge their account, you will be rewarded. That can be withdraw, or if you want to do next level trading, then you can also do all this drop off operation. There are two type of partnership. Like first one is broker, second is affiliate. If you want to choose the broker, earn up to 50% revenue share. Like if you are invitator, if your team member will invest their money, you will get 50% off their investment. If you choose the affiliate, you will get $2,500, earn up to per API. Like this is the highest payout in the industry fast approval method. You can also get the next thing about the wall of number one. That are drive-on partner program that I am going to suggesting to you. So here you are also going supposed to everything that you need to know about the success way, and this is also a successful project where you are begin the earning a high paying industry get started with no initial investment. If you have some community, you can also start with zero investment, track your earning in real time. Be a part of something greater, grow alongside our trusted brand, enjoy the exclusive reward on this, become a certified. Here you can also be one of the partners to get the Prime XBT to financial benefit and trusted confidence. Going to global work here are events that they are going to aware all the global level. So you have to download the app. You can work on it. So I hope that you have cleared. See you soon next video. Till then, take care.